Lesson 8.1 Video 3 Reflection. Let's look specifically at reflection now. And by reflection we are talking about a flip over a line. In other words, the line of reflection or line of symmetry. Both are the same thing. Now when we do this, it creates congruent figures. If you remember what that refers to, equal sides, equal angles. So here we have a line of symmetry, or a line of reflection, right there. One is reflected over the other. Now pay close attention to the notation that we have in the picture. We have a prime or a tick mark here, so that would be the image. Sorry. ABC does not have tick marks, so this is the pre-image. So one is reflected over the line of symmetry, or the reflection line, to get its new position. So when we talk about a couple of things here, we have a mirror that's been drawn, so the distance from B to B prime will be exactly the same. Okay, the distance from C to C prime is exactly the same on each side of the line of symmetry, or the reflection line. And the same with A and A prime. Those distances are going to be equal distances. Again, over the line of reflection. Now when looking at this, what stayed the same, what changed? Well, if we look at our letters that we use to help to remember what to look for, we have A, B, C, D, O. And ABCDO says angles. Well, the angle measures stay the same. The betweenness is, yes, the same. Collinearity, yes, no letters changed order and bounced to a new location. Well, order might have changed, we'll talk about that in a second, but they did not move to new positions between different letters, that is. Distance stayed the same. Orientation, well, we have triangle ABC, which is our first one, is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. That's fine. But if you look at the orientation, ABC, if you call it ABC, this would be ABC. That is clockwise to get that order. And on the other one, we would go ABC to get the same order, but we would be going counterclockwise. So the orientation is not preserved when you reflect. And this ends Lesson 8.1, Video 3.